Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Good news! You absolutely can change your YouTube video title even after it's been uploaded, whether it's been live for days or years. This flexibility is incredibly important for the success of your content. Updating your title can dramatically improve your video's search engine optimization, helping more people discover it. It also boosts your click-through rate, making your video more appealing. Staying current with your titles ensures your content always reaches the most relevant audience, keeping your message fresh. The first step is straightforward. Open your web browser and head over to your YouTube Studio dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your channel's content. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Simply click on the Content tab. This page will then present you with a complete overview of every video you've ever uploaded, including your live streams and short-form content, making it easy to find the specific video you wish to edit. Now that you're on the Content page, scroll down and find the specific video whose title you want to change. Hover your mouse over that video's row. You'll see several icons pop up. Click on the one that looks like a small pencil, which represents details. This action opens up the video's main editing page. Look near the very top of this page for the prominent title field. Here, you can simply type in your new and updated title. Once your fantastic new title is typed in, don't forget the most crucial step, saving your work. Look for the Save button, usually located in the top right corner of the editing screen, and give it a click. Your title update will then go live almost immediately across the entire YouTube platform. For the best impact in 2025, remember to craft titles that are not only clear and engaging, but also packed with relevant keywords. This helps viewers and YouTube's algorithm understand your content better. While you can easily update your video's title for improved discoverability, it's important to understand what remains unchanged. Your video's unique URL, its original upload date, and any existing comments or likes will all stay exactly the same. This means you can give your content a fresh look and optimize it for new search trends without losing any of your hard-earned historical engagement or audience interactions. It's a powerful way to breathe new life into older, valuable content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.